Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch, and today I want to talk about TwinPacks. As you may know, we've been selling TwinPacks and multi-piece kits for some time now, but today I'd like to show you two new TwinPacks which are in addition to our existing range. So why should you look at a cordless TwinPack? Well, first of all, the obvious, two machines in one box. Some money saving there, convenience. You have the drilling machine here, the combi, in this case brushless, which is biased towards drilling of course, and then to help with screw driving, for example, you've got your impact driver as well. So as a busy tradesman, you can save time, productivity's up because you can have the machine set up to specific tasks, or you could even work with a colleague so that two things are happening at once, so to speak. So what's not to like? So let's take a look at these two all new TwinPacks. First of all, the combi has a brushless motor, as does the impact driver that comes with it. This is very much on trend, very popular. Brushless motors, good on energy consumption, therefore you get more holes drilled, for example, on a battery charge. So full metal keyless chuck, full metal gearbox, and the usual features you'd expect on a Bosch Professional combi. Then we have the impact driver, the GDR, 1/4" hex tool holder here, and again, brushless motor. We have just mode switches at the bottom here which allow you to select 3 speed settings, and that can sort of have an effect on limiting the impact for some of those smaller screw driving tasks. Generally a winning combination. If we want to look at something a little bit more versatile, we can switch our attention to the other brushless TwinPack. Still has the GSB 18V55, same combi with a very respectable 55 Newton meters of maximum hard torque, but we've added to this kit the GDX impact driver stroke wrench. This is a patented Bosch design tool holder here. So for regular screw driving and some drilling applications, you've got the hex tool holder, but of course you've got the 1/2" square combined, which means you can use this for nut running as well. So if you're more on the mechanical side or air conditioning, this sort of stuff, where you might want to spinning bolts and nuts, then of course the GDX is even more versatile than the GDR. Either way, two very versatile brushless professional cordless kits. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Not just any old box, of course, the new style L box. Lift the lid, instruction manuals, and of course we've got the combi and the impact driver here. Both equipped with a 4 amp-hour core pack battery and the all new 4 amp intelligent charger. A couple of extra accessories here. We've got belt clips for those that want to use those, and a little storage block to store a couple of screwdriver bits. The difference, of course, between this kit with the 200 Newton meter GDR and the slightly more expensive GDX kit is that instead of the GDR, we have the GDX with the 2-in-1 tool holder. Otherwise, it's the same kit, both featuring the GSB 18V 55 Newton meter brushless combi. And don't forget to register these tools online within 28 days of purchase to get the full 3-year warranty on the tools themselves and 2-year premium service on batteries and chargers.